Hi there, this is Renee, and this is Tutorial 1 for the basic screen recorder software. You'll notice that I'm already using the software at the bottom of the screen, recording this video that you're watching right now. And you can record your own videos to get the same result, or for whatever programs that you might want to run it for. So the first thing we do is we go to the Start menu, and we click on Start, and under the All Programs section, where you've installed your basic screen recorder software, you would move your mouse to the basic screen recorder and launch the program. So I'm going to click on basic screen recorder now and launch another instance of the software. So I now have two windows open with the basic screen recorder software. And on the top window you have, it's a bigger window because I'm using a different view. Looking at the view menu over here, you'll see I'm currently on the normal view. When going to the buttons view will allow me to make it smaller and look like the one at the bottom. Now, just to get us back to the normal view, I'm going to go to the toggle view over here on the compact view and switch us back by clicking on that. Right, we want to start our recording, and simply the first thing we do is we go to the region menu, and we can already see that the option full screen is selected, so we leave that in place. If it's not selected, then select it by clicking on it. Right, to start a recording we can do it via the file menu. We can then select the record option over there, or we can move to the record button over here, which you can see is highlighting when you pause your mouse over it, to be the record button, and once you're happy you click on it. Right, the recording on the top instance of the basic screen recorder software has now started, and it's showing me a frame rate and time elapsed and so forth and so on. What is important is at the bottom the dimension 1280 by 800. That is in fact the screen size of the entire Windows that you can see, including the desktop, the start button at the bottom, and all the program icons at the bottom of the screen as well. Now, how do I get to that? How do I change that? You would on the desktop window, which is anywhere in a blank space on your desktop, right click, and once you've right clicked you'll get a window with these options. You would scroll down to the bottom of that window and select the properties window. I'm going to now click on properties, and that brings up a window that gives me my display properties. The folders at the top starts off with themes, desktop. I've got a screensaver that I can change, the appearance of Windows itself, and then I've got display properties for settings. So I click on settings and I can see that my current setting is 1280 in the screen resolution, 1280 by 800 pixels. Now I'm just going to move the window to the right, like that, and you'll notice that the 1280 in the display properties over here is in fact the same 1280 by 800 in the dimensions of the basic screen recorder. So that's how we know that the recording will be at that resolution. Right, so I'm going to click on OK just to get rid of that, and that's the end of tutorial 1. So I'm going to stop the recording now. So we've finished our recording, and the way to stop it, again, you've got two options. You can click on the stop button, or you can go to File and to the stop option under the menus, which I'm clicking on now, and the recording stops. It then pops up with a window to save the file as an AVI, which is a video file. In the directory for desktop screen recorder, I can save it to my desktop, I can save it to my documents. Let's save it to my desktop and we'll give it a name, call it test 1. Alright, that's the file name that we're giving it, and we're going to save it. And we're done. So now we've done our first video recording, and we can go and view that. And you'll notice on my desktop a new icon has popped up, and you would then be able to double click it. It's not quite finished yet. If you were to double click on it right now, it wouldn't work, because you'll notice that the basic screen recorder software is still running, and it's going up to 88-90% now, compressing the file until it's finished compiling this video file for you. It is now finished. You can see that the compression is completed, and I can close off that basic screen recorder, and I can now launch that video. It won't. Alright, okay. I'm going to close it again. There we go. Sorry about that. That was just a short demonstration of the actual file running of the recording we've just done. I hope it's been helpful. I'm going to stop this recording now, which has demonstrated how to use the basic screen recorder software, and I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you.